Hi guys, welcome to one more video in Isaac's channel, and we're almost finishing our series, The Geography of the World. And this is the 6th episode, The Geography of Oceania. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and enable notifications. And if you still didn't watch my last 5 videos, it would be very good for you to watch. So let's get started. Oceania is the smallest continent in the world, with 3.3 million square miles, or 8.5 million square kilometers, representing 5.7% of all land on Earth. Oceania has a population of around 44 million people, representing only 0.55% of all population on Earth. The major countries of Oceania are Australia and New Zealand. Australia, with 2.97 million square miles or 7.7 million square kilometers, it's the largest country in Oceania and 6th largest in the world, and has a population of 26 million people, being the most populous country in Oceania but only 55th in the world. And New Zealand, with 103,500 square miles or 268,000 square kilometers, it's the 3rd largest in Oceania and 75th largest in the world, and a population of 5 million people, being the 3rd most populous in Oceania but 122nd most populous in the world. The major cities of Oceania are: Number 1, Sydney in Australia. Number 2, Melbourne in Australia. Number 3, Brisbane in Australia. Number 4, Perth in Australia. Number 5, Adelaide in Australia. Number 6, Auckland in New Zealand. Number 7, Wellington in New Zealand. Number 8, Christchurch in New Zealand. Number 9, Port Moresby in Papua New Guinea. And number 10, Suva in Fiji. These are the races of Oceania. Brown, about 25 million people, 54% of the population, founding most of Oceania. White, 60 million people, 34% of the population, mostly in Australia, New Zealand, French territories, and Hawaii. Black, 0.1 million people, 0.2% of the population, with small communities in Australia, New Zealand, and Fiji. And others, like Asians. 5.5 million people, 12% of the population, mostly in Australia, New Zealand, Fiji, and Hawaii. Here are the 5 major religions of Oceania. Number 1, Christianity, 29.1 million people, 70.5% of the population. It's the most dominant religion in Oceania. Number 2, no religion, 8.94 million people, 21.7% of the population, mostly in Australia and New Zealand. Number 3, Islam, 880,000 people, 2.1% of the population, mainly in Australia and New Zealand, with smaller communities in Fiji and other islands. Number 4, Hinduism, 820,000 people, 2% of the population, mostly in Fiji, but also found in Australia and New Zealand. And number 5, Buddhism, 810,000 people, 2% of the population, mostly in Australia and New Zealand among their Asian communities. These are the 10 most spoken languages in Oceania. Number 1, English, 25.3 million people, 54.2% of the population, mostly in Australia, New Zealand, Fiji, Papua New Guinea, and many Pacific islands. Number 2, Tok Pisin, 4 million people, 8.6% of the population, primarily in Papua New Guinea. Number 3, Mandarin, 0.9 million people, 1.9% of the population, mostly in Australia, New Zealand, Fiji, and Papua New Guinea. Number 4, Arabic, 0.9 million people, 1.9% of the population, mostly in Australia, New Zealand, Fiji, and Papua New Guinea. Number 5, Hindi, 0.9 million people, 1.1% of the population, mostly in Fiji, Australia, and New Zealand. Number 6, Fijian, 0.5 million people, 1% of the population, primarily spoken in Fiji. Number 7, Bislama, 0.3 million people, 0.6% of the population, spoken in Vanuatu. Number 8, Samoan. 0.4 million people, 0.9% of the population, spoken in Samoa, American Samoa, and parts of Australia and New Zealand. Number 9, Tongan. 0.1 million people, 0.2% of the population, spoken in Tonga, American Samoa, and New Zealand. And number 10, Maori. 0.2 million people, 0.4% of the population, spoken in New Zealand. The main biomes of Oceania are desert in most of Central and Western Australia, tropical forest in Northern Australia, Papua New Guinea and many Pacific islands, temperate forest in the south of Australia and New Zealand, savannas in Northern and Eastern Australia, and mountain in Southern Australia and Southern New Zealand. The climates of Oceania are arid with scorching summers and mild winters and dry weather, tropical with hot temperatures year-round, high humidity year-round and a lot of rainfall, tropical grasslands with two distinct seasons, a wet hot summer and a comfortable dry winter, temperate forest with cool winters and mild summers and moderate rainfall, alpine with cold winters and cool summers with high rainfall, often snow in winter, and with temperatures decreasing at higher altitudes, and tropical maritime, warm, humid, and stable temperatures year-round. Here's an overview of the average annual temperatures of Oceania. Let's take advantage and talk about the temperature records. The highest temperature recorded in Oceania was 50.7 degrees Celsius, or 123.3 degrees Fahrenheit, recorded in Onslow, Western Australia, on January 13, 2022, and the lowest was negative 25.6 degrees Celsius, or negative 14.1 degrees Fahrenheit, recorded in Lyowini in Tasmania in Australia, on July 3, 1903. The 10 major rivers of Oceania are: number 1, Murray River in Australia, 1,558 miles or 2,508 kilometers, flowing from the Australian Alps to the Southern Ocean, crucial for irrigation, agriculture and ecosystems. Number 2, Darling River in Australia, 950 miles or 1,472 kilometers, flowing from New South Wales to the Murray River, important for agriculture and water supply. Number 3, Murrumbidgee River in Australia, 923 miles or 1,485 kilometers, flowing from the Snowy Mountains to the Murray River. Key tributary supporting irrigation and farmland. Number 4, Lachlan River in Australia, 900 miles or 1,448 kilometers, flowing from central New South Wales to the Murrumbidgee River. Supports agriculture and livestock. Number 5, Cooper Creek in Australia, 808 miles or 1,300 kilometers, flowing from inland ranges to Lake Eyre. Supports wildlife. Number 6, Fly River in Papua New Guinea, 652 miles or 1,050 kilometers, flowing from the Star Mountains to the Gulf of Papua, vital for transportation and local ecosystems. Number 7, Sepik River, Papua New Guinea, 700 miles or 1,126 kilometers, flowing from the Victor Emmanuel Range to the Bismarck Sea, supports diverse cultures and ecosystems. Number 8, Flinders River in Australia, 624 miles or 1,004 kilometers, flowing from the Great Dividing Range to the Gulf of Carpentaria, crucial for regional water supply in Queensland. Number 9, Mitchell River in Australia, 621 miles or 1,000 kilometers, flowing from the Great Dividing Range to the Gulf of Carpentaria, important for ecosystems and local water resources. Number 10, Turema River in Papua New Guinea, 188 miles or 302 kilometers, flowing from Mount Bosavi to the Gulf of Papua, known for tidal bores and rich biodiversity. Oceania has a very unique biodiversity due to its geographical isolation, and some of the animals in the deserts are red kangaroo, thorny devil, and dingo, and the plants are Sturt's desert pea, Sturt's desert rose, and mulga. Now let's talk about the tropical rainforest. The animals here are cassowary, tree kangaroo, and bird of paradise. And the plants are strangler fig, hoop pine, and kauri pine. Now let's talk about the temperate forest. The animals in the biome are koala, Tasmanian devil, and wombat. And the plants are eucalyptus, Antarctic beech, and kangaroo paw. Now let's talk about the savannas. The animals here are emu, honey possum, and frilled neck lizard. And the plants are baobab tree, kangaroo grass, and gum tree. Now let's talk about the alpine biome. The animals in this biome are mountain pygmy possum, broad-toothed rat, and key. And the plants are alpine pineapple grass, snow daisy, and mountain celery. Here are 5 geographical features of Oceania. Number 1, the Great Dividing Range. It's the longest mountain range in Australia, stretching for 3,500 kilometers. Number 2, the Southern Alps, located in New Zealand, stretching nearly the entire length of New Zealand's South Island, stretching for about 500 kilometers. Number 3, New Guinea Highlands, located in the island of New Guinea, stretching 1,900 kilometers across the island. Number 4, the Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Queensland. It's the world's largest coral reef system, stretching for 2,300 kilometers. And number 5, the Outback, located in the arid interior of Australia, with iconic landscapes and cultural significance. Now let's talk about the extreme points. The highest point is Pankak Jaya in the New Guinea Highlands, with 16,000 feet above sea level. And the lowest is Lake Eyre in Australia, with 49 feet or 15 meters below sea level. Here are the natural disasters of Oceania. Number 1, earthquakes, due to the Ring of Fire, happening a lot in New Zealand because it sits on one. Number 2, tsunamis, also caused by undersea earthquakes. Coastal Pacific areas and low-lying islands are at higher risk of tsunamis, such as Tonga. Number 3, tropical cyclones, happening in northern Australia, Fiji, Vanuatu, Tonga, and the Solomon Islands, due to warm ocean currents providing the ideal conditions. Number 4, floods, reported in Fiji, Samoa, Tuvalu, Kiribati, the Solomon Islands, and in eastern and northern Australia, due to heavy rainfall from the tropical cyclones and thunderstorms. Number 5, volcanic eruptions, due to the Ring of Fire, with active volcanoes in Vanuatu and Tonga. Number 6, droughts, happening in the interior of Australia due to low rainfall, and nations like Kiribati and Tuvalu due to El Niño effects. And number 7, wildfires, happening in Australia due to hot and dry periods. Here are 10 tourist attractions of Oceania. Number 1, the Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Queensland. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with breathtaking biodiversity and diving and snorkeling activities. Number 2, the Sydney Opera House in Australia, a multi-venue performing arts center. Number 3, Uluru Kota Tjuta, located in the arid red center of Australia. This park is home to Uluru, a sacred sandstone monolith with deep cultural significance. Number 4, Milford Sound in New Zealand. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its towering waterfalls, sheer cliffs, and lush rainforest. Number 5, Hobbiton movie set in New Zealand. This is the film set for the Hobbit village from The Lord of the Rings. Number 6, Waitomo Glowworm Caves, located in New Zealand, famous for the thousands of tiny glowworms that illuminate the underground caverns. Number 7, Bora Bora in French Polynesia, an island known for its luxury resorts, overwater bungalows, a stunning turquoise lagoon, white sand beaches, and vibrant coral gardens. Number 8, Mount Yasur in Vanuatu, one of the world's most accessible active volcanoes. Number 9, Kakadu National Park in Australia. It's Australia's largest national park and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its ecological diversity and ancient Aboriginal rock art. And number 10, Yasawa Islands in Fiji. It's a group of islands and a popular beach destination known for its stunning white sand beaches, vibrant coral reefs, and traditional Fijian villages. Here are 10 curiosities about Oceania. Number 1. Oceania has a very unique wildlife, such as kangaroos, koalas, and platypuses, found nowhere else in the world. Number 2. Australia's kangaroo population often outnumbers its human population, estimated to be between 35 and 50 million kangaroos. Number 3. Australia doesn't have any active volcano, because it sits on its own tectonic plate, unlike New Zealand has a lot. Number 4. The Great Barrier Reef is so massive that it can be visible from space. Number 5. New Zealand doesn't have native snakes. The country's unique fauna is dominated by birds. Number 6. The Maori name for New Zealand is Aotearoa, which translates to Land of the Long White Cloud. Number 7. The Haka Dance, performed by the All Blacks, New Zealand's national rugby team. Haka is a powerful ancestral war dance of the Maori people. Number 8. Hawaii has the world's highest concentration of endemic species, with 90% of its species found nowhere else. Number 9. Many Pacific islands are formed from the skeletons of marine animals and form atolls, which are ring-shaped islands surrounding a lagoon. And number 10. Papua New Guinea is one of the world's most linguistically diverse countries, with over 800 languages spoken among its population. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And this was the 6th episode of the Geography of the World. And thank goodness we're almost finishing our series, The Geography of the World. Next episode is finally the last one, the Geography about Antarctica. And also don't forget to share with your friends and enable notifications. Bye, see you in the next video.